benefits on your anniversary. Need a bag to keep your phone, wallet dry. Go.
Thank you.
Any bags to keep your things dry?
All right, this is the complimentary Ziploc bag that guests are now getting at Splash Mountain. Once you enter the queue, you get to the barn area. Whether you're Fast Pass or standby, you will find this free Ziploc bag. And we asked for multiple a couple times through, so sometimes maybe they'll give you more than one. We don't know if that's going to be a permanent thing. Maybe once they start running through some stock of this. But as you see, it has a special design. You can only get here. It's not something you can buy. And it is a 6x8 sandwich bag that you can bring home or you can recycle. Look at this. Welcome to 2018. I'm joking. They've had these things forever. But it is a resealable bag. You can take it home. You can recycle it in a bin by the exit. But yeah, now you can get a free Ziploc bag at Splash Mountain.